Welcome back. This is Wes. Today I'm doing a video where instead of working on my BMW, I'm buying another. I caught the sickness. Alright, hello YouTube. I'm in my apartment listening to jazz right now. I am heading out to buy a Z3. It's a 1998 Z3, 1.9 liter, the 4-cylinder. Pretty excited. It's a buddy of mine's car. He lives in South Jersey. So we'll head down to South Jersey. First to my mom's, meet up with my brother. Then me and my brother will head down to South Jersey, meet up with Andrew, where I'll buy the Z3. My brother will take the car we took down, back up. I'll take the Z3 home. I bought a car cover for it. Where is that? From Amazon. Can't see that. So there's the Amazon cover. Pre-addressed envelope to mail my buddy back his plates. Can't leave him hanging. And what else? I guess we just go. Let's. I'll take you along for the journey while I buy a new car. In the hybrid, coffee is made. Off to New Jersey we go. Buy a Z3. Alright, made it to Jersey. Sam's gonna drive down in Sam's 4Runner. Guy. I guess we drive. For me, it's the first convertible I've ever had. It's gonna be part of a fleet. Can I even say fleet? So this will be a third car. I got a daily driver Toyota. I got a BMW, and that's been my pride and joy restored for 10 years. I've been doing this now, and I still got it. Still love it. That's chilling. And now today I'm buying a convertible.
You gotta put the clutch in. The clutch is in.
Alright.
Like I said, I've never actually had the top up other than the initial drive, so this is like a weird experience because your head is literally
it's right there.
Then up here, you make it a lot straighter.
I did a little test drive with my brother and then a last drive in the car with Andrew as the passenger. That was a fun time. We got some coffee, talked about how the Z3 needed front struts. Then we went back to his house, settled up the money, and signed the papers, and it was time to hit the road again.
Take it easy, bro. Thank you again.
Well, probably won't be driving this thing with the top up too much, but I'm here right now because it is 27 degrees outside. Fahrenheit, 27. Cold. I bought a Z3! Wow. This is my hunk of junk. Hell yeah. I feel a little bit like James Bond. I know it's not quite a Z8. They cut one of these in half in the movie though, right? Or was that the Z8? Missed that. Missed fourth gear. All good. All good. Oh, I love downshifts. Even in a small little 4-cylinder. So good. Welcome to my 1998 BMW Z3. This is a 1.9 liter 4-cylinder model. Obviously it's a 2-seater convertible. It's Montreal blue with a black top. And the story that I got from my buddy Andrew, who sold it to me, is that this car was repainted at once in its life, and the top's been replaced once in its life. It was originally a Las Vegas car, so it should have no rust. It might have a lot of wind noise. That's okay. That's fine. got spottiness on the tires, but the tires are great. They're in good shape. I'm just happy. I feel like I don't really even know what to say. Maybe you relate. It's definitely a little noisy in here with the wind from the top up. Andrew had it for just over 2 years. He told me the only time he ever drove it with the top up was the time he bought it and drove it home. And once the top went down and it went in the garage, for those 2 years, the top stayed down. So that's going to be the ethos that I try to approach this with. As much top down as possible. I mean, it's pretty much the point I bought the car. 4-cylinder, 2-seater, 5-speed manual is always fun. I'm not going to say it's not. But the real reason I bought this car was for the top-down Manhattan nighttime drives. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. It's so easy to drive. Yeah, I like this. This is going to be a lot of fun. So right now we're doing 60 in 5th gear. And we're sitting at about 2,800 RPMs. It's nice. That's like pretty much fine. You know, in the M60 and the E34, I think we'd be somewhere at $3,000 if we were at 80. So, you know, different motors. I have 4 more cylinders in that car. Let's pay attention to where I'm driving here. You know, another thing, I just have to say, I feel low, really low to the ground. Like in the E34, the car is low. I mean, I put it on coilovers, it's very low, right this high off the ground. That's okay, you know, I expect that. In this car, I think the car itself is just low to the ground. Sam thinks the front shocks needing to be replaced will do a little bit for the height in the front, maybe kind of even it out with the height in the rear. One thing I'm not going to do is struts and springs of aftermarket. Everything's going to stay stock in the driveline of this for me. Easy, reliable. I like that. I think that's gonna work for me. I had it in my head that I wanted to put 17s, but seeing the 16s, I'm kind of happy with that. I think it's exactly what I was looking for. Welcome back. We are in my hometown now of Hawthorne, New Jersey. Z did great on the highway on the way back. Just over an hour-long drive. We hit one kind of those like joint, the highway, like little bridge joints, I guess you call them, and definitely felt the front shocks bottom out. I guess that's gonna happen. So those will be for sure a priority. I probably already said that. But yeah, just to go back to Mom's neighborhood where the car's gonna hang out for now. I live in Brooklyn, so one car is enough for me there. But 25 miles away from me, here in my mom's neighborhood, the car can hang out in the driveway. So, thanks, Mom. Sorry about that. I'm not actually sorry. It's right there. Back her into Mom's driveway. With no mirrors. This is gonna be so easy. Okay, this is it. Here it is. Welcome home for now. This is my new Z3. Drive was great. I'm sure I talked about it all already in the drive. But it's fun, man. It's just fun. It's fun to have a nice little car. Little. emphasizing a little. It feels small, low to the ground. I mean, look. I'm 6'2", but she's little. All right, see you in the workshop.
Is this supposed to be like that?
Not really. Maybe I'll fix it just a tiny bit. That part's a little broken.
Just slightly.
I need to put mirrors in it. I know.
This feels very familiar, like because of your other BMW.
Yeah, right. It's only 3 years newer.
Yeah, it just feels like.
That was first ride with Allie. I think she liked it. I think it was cool. I'm gonna get my mom first impressions now. Pop up. They're like fake first impressions. Basically, it's just them saying "cool car," but I still think it's fun to show it to people. It's so small. You're low to the ground. I like it. I like it a lot. This is day 2 now, Sunday. Hey, Mom.
Hi.
What's up?
A little rattly.
Yeah, the exhaust hanger's a little.
No seatbelt?
No, it is a seatbelt. It did it.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, hidden. The 98. It's modern.
So it's all about the top down when the weather gets.
Pretty much, yeah. I mean,
Look at this.
you get a little fake experience with the top up,
Okay.
but it's still fun. It's like a little car. It's really small.
It is tiny. When I saw your picture of it, I wanted to say something like, you look like you're stuffed into it.
It feels fine in the inside.
Yeah, it does. You have plenty of leg room.
Gotta do it a little bit. Just a little.
And this is the better road
Yeah.
to do it on. than
Nobody's
that.
around. That's okay.
That's a shitty road.
But so like that, I think is so fun. Is that we're only going like 37 miles an hour. It feels fast and fun, but it's a slow little engine.
I gotcha. I understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
Yes, it does feel fast and fun.
You can kind of drive it.
But you're kind of still.
Yeah, I mean it's like only a little. It's not like driving a fast car slow.
It's not like you're 25 anymore.
Yeah, exactly. I'm a grown man.
That's funny as hell.
Just tuck it away and you can
Yeah,
block it in every
It's
day.
pretty tiny, yeah.
Yeah, hopefully it's not too invasive. Sorry that I just
No.
kind of told you I was parking it here and didn't ask.
Bernadette got such a kick out of the text. She's like, and thanks and I love you, and I'm buying a new car. She caught right up. She's like, ah, ha, ha, ha.
Oh, she got it.
Yeah.
Right. Chest drive's done with Mom and Allie. Now we're gonna disconnect the battery and put it back under the cover. So in the back here, under here, which is all the cover and stuff, but under here, this disconnect, which I actually just did this a second ago, so that would be connecting it. Now we're disconnecting it, and it's disconnected. And just like that, hopefully the battery's not dead when I come back in probably 3 or so weeks, which sucks, but whatever. Okay, time to put the cover back on. Okay, so the cover's on and it's latched at the bottom, and enter the long sleep. See you guys in a couple weeks. I'll have more Z focused content soon. We'll also probably dig out the E34 from the storage unit. We have some parts on deck for that, an electrical fan swap, a cooling system refresh, new exhaust. Oh my goodness, there's actually kind of a lot of good things coming soon. Hopefully, not hopefully, definitely gonna be cool. Stick around. All right, one last plug. Look at this, look at this. You can get the merch, I sell it.
Proud mom.
This is a little embarrassing. I put the cover on the car, I did the whole little stupid outro. I go inside, I'm warm back up because it's freezing. Forgot my phone and wallet in the car. Awesome. Let's do it again.
All right, that should actually do it. Ay, ay, ay.
That's pretty neat. So, got a preview on the screen. Yeah, anyway, that's how GoPros work. Wow, welcome to the world.